I have a question. Why do you think people lose interest in somebody else? More specifically, why did somebody lose interest in you? If you clicked on this title, you may have that situation right now. I'm Susan Winter, best-selling author and relationship expert. Let's talk about why people lose interest. Firstly, to my subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for your immense support. To people that are new, please click the subscribe button if you like this. This is an important conversation. It hurts so much, and it is so confusing, but what do you do with they liked you? They were pursuing you. Maybe you got together. Maybe the sex was amazing. Maybe you really thought you were going somewhere, and now they've lost interest. What's that all about? Why does it happen? Because most everybody I know spend all of their free time ruminating and obsessing over this question. Why did they lose interest? There are many reasons, but the number one reason that I think contributes to this is that someplace along the line, your desire to have them really, and I mean have them, like possess them or get with them, but your desire for this thing to move forward was so great that you lost yourself in the process. You either sped up too soon and applied too much pressure, overtly, covertly, whatever, consciously, unconsciously, I don't care how it was done, but someplace in the process, you lost yourself. You turned your attention from your life, your goals, what is important to you, maybe your daily habits that keep you organized, getting enough sleep, going to the gym, running, exercising, doing whatever you love, seeing your friends. Maybe you gave up weekends in the hope that you'd see this person. Maybe you turned down trips because you were really hoping to do something with this person instead. Maybe you waited around for that phone call, for that text, whatever. But someplace along the line, the shift that they felt that helped them to lose interest was that you actually lost interest in yourself. Interesting, huh? That you lost interest in yourself. And it is very odd how people assess our value. You can have all the chips on the table. You can have the looks, the money, the career, the status, everything. And somehow, if you begin to take your eyes and focus off of your daily routine, yourself, and redirect it in full toward another person and to what I call the dream, you will lose yourself in the process. And the internal message that that other person gets is that they don't have to work for you because you're just like so there. And if anything, they will begin to retract. Now, I do know there could be a variety of reasons. They could have been whimsical. They maybe had some free time. Maybe they're not even single. They were chasing you because they were in town for a weekend at a conference and they were hoping to get lucky. I don't know what the situation is. Sometimes people begin down a road and go, don't want to. Too much work. I don't know what I want. They just lose interest. But it's not always the fact that we failed. It's not always the fact that we're not attractive enough or we're not interesting enough or that we're not something. We could have simply lost ourselves in the process. So if right now you're listening to this and you feel that person's interest waning, ask yourself honestly, where's my head most of the day? Am I thinking about them? Am I checking my phone? Am I hoping that they're going to invite me to this or that? Am I taking time to see my friends? Do I have any free space in my mind where I don't have them? Because the minute that you can refocus on yourself and your life, something magical can happen. And I hate saying it because if I say that, I feel like I'm going to blow it. If you know the ending, you're not going to get it the same way. But maybe I should say it this way instead. When you redirect to yourself, just try to focus on your life, your goals, your dreams, your friends, your desires, your hobbies. If you could just try to keep that intention and put on your blinders like the horsies in Central Park, put that on and just move forward. Then you write to me on my website and let me know what happened, because I think that will give you the answer that you want. Susan Winter for SusanWinter.net. I would love to work with you. If you want to work with me, come to the consultation page and see what I have to offer. Also, this is also on Spotify and iHeartRadio, The Susan Winter Show. And if you have a video request, that's the last page on contact. Big box says video request. And let's see, newsletter. That way I can stay in touch with you. Thanks a lot. Susan Winter for SusanWinter.net.